Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cylinder number 5.
That's not funny. What's up, guys? This is video 2 in a series of videos that we're doing on cherry bomb mufflers on all of my vehicles. We got 4 cherry bomb mufflers: the Glasspack, the Extreme, the Turbo, and the Vortex. We're going to put all 4 of those on the Yukon today. Before we get started, we got to cut off the stock muffler, so let's get to it. Okay, so here's the stock muffler on the Yukon. It's got dual pipes going in, and then there was a single pipe coming out. Unfortunately, it rusted off. I may just cut this hanger off. I might be able to use it to hang the cherry bombs. We'll see. Alright, the fact that my Yukon has dual pipes and my cherry bombs only have single inlet pipes. I got this contraption here off of Summit Racing. Put the information here. It's a Y pipe that goes from dual to single. This piece right here I trimmed off of that 18-inch extension pipe that I did in the other video, and I just stuck it on there, and this will go into the cherry bombs with a little extra width there. right, that was a lot of fun. Again, I hope you liked it too. I really enjoy listening to these cherry bombs on my vehicles. Again, the Yukon is a little bit unique setup compared to my Camaro and my truck. My truck and Camaro are both single pipe exhaust. This actually is a true dual exhaust going into the stock muffler. So I got that Y pipe on, and just to get them to fit my mufflers. You can do single inlet mufflers and put one on each pipe, or they sell these to where you can have dual inlets and outlets on all of these, except for the Glasspack, obviously, because it's a straight pipe. Start off with the Extreme. Man, I love the way the Extreme sounds on this 5.7. The 5.3, I really liked it, but I really loved the way it sounded on the 5.7. Got a nice roar to it. Again, it's a chambered exhaust. It's got one single wing plate in there. It's considered a racing muffler. It's a fully welded design. It has a flow pattern, so you have to put it on a certain way in order for it to work. Really love the way the Extreme sounded as I was going through the gears through acceleration. Love that muffler. Then I went with the Turbo, which is a reversible design. You can put it on either way. There's no inlet or outlet specified on this muffler. There are 3 tubes in the inside. It's mechanically locked to construction. It's not welded. You've got the exhaust inlet here. It goes in and out that way. Again, very nice sounding muffler. A little too quiet for my taste, although it does sound really, really good. And then I went with the Vortex, which is more of an SUV type muffler. It's kind of a blend of all 3 of the mufflers. You've got the packing like the Glasspack, you've got the wing plates like the Extreme, you've got these perforated sidewalls here, like you've got perforated tubes in here. So it's a combination of all 3. It's a very unique sound, and I really love the way it sounded on the pickup. And then I finished off with the Glasspack. I still have it on the truck right now. And again, classic sound, good grizzly sound, straight pipe kind of a sound, really nice roar. I did notice that this one had a little bit more rasp on the higher end than my 5.3 Silverado. So that was just something I noticed. I kind of noticed that too on the Vortex a little bit too. There's a little rasp at the very top end through acceleration. So again, this is fully welded design. This is a fully welded design. This is the only one that's not welded. So interior drone noise, the Extreme on, well actually compared to the Silverado, all 4 of these mufflers, really the drone on the inside of the cab was not as bad as my pickup. Now the pickup's a smaller cab. This has got a lot more interior cabin space. That's probably got a lot to do with it, but a lot more quiet on the inside with these mufflers than it was my pickup. The Cherry Bomb Extreme was the loudest of the 4 interior noise wise, and again, the drone wasn't really that bad. You've got kind of a wider drone area. I kind of noticed with the Yukon. It was more like 12,000 or 1200 RPM to about 18 or 19, almost 2,000 RPM. So it seemed like the loudest that it was in the truck. Again, not that bad, no noise level wise, but the loudest that it gets in with these was in that range. Okay, so now I'm going to rank these from my least favorite to my most favorite on my Yukon. Now I thought this was going to be the same ranking as my pickup, but it's actually not. Coming in at number 4, we're going to go with the Turbo. Great sounding muffler, good tone, nice mellow sound. Not quite what I'm looking for my Yukon. So coming in at number 3, maybe a little bit of a surprise to you, is the Vortex. Great sound, Glasspack sound with a chambered tone to it, but for me, it comes in at number 3. Number 2 was actually virtually a tie with number 3. I give number 2 just a very slight edge over number 3, but not by much, and I'm going to go with the Glasspack at number 2. Good classic grizzly hot rod straight pipe sound. I just give it the edge over the Vortex for this particular vehicle. So that leaves the Extreme at number 1, and for me it's hands down the Extreme, the best sounding muffler on this Yukon, the Extreme. I love the way it came alive when you go through the gears accelerating, and to me just no contest. Extreme sounded the absolute best on this Yukon. Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to put all 4 of these cherry bombs on my V6 Camaro. That'll be coming soon. So again, thanks for watching. God bless. I don't know what I'm going to say.